Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho Books, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload or import your customer list into Zoho Book? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload your customers into Zoho Books anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing invoices and expenses can be time consuming. So if you upload all your customers into Zoho, it helps you with bookkeeping, and also you can invoice them right from Zoho Books. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Books account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and upload your customer list, you're going to click right here on this left menu called Sales. Once you click there, it's going to give you this drop-down menu, and you want to click on Customers. Once you do that, you can go ahead and add customers one by one, or you can do what I do and click up here on these three little dots. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click here to import customers. Okay, once you do that, they do let you know it has to be in a CSV, TSV, or XLS file. So you want to go ahead and click on continue. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and grab the file for your customer list right here. So I'm going to choose the file now. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed the file. It's right here. Okay, next you want to go ahead and scroll down and make these choices. Okay, so if you have duplicates from your existing customer base inside Zoho Books, what do you want the software to do? Do you want to go ahead and skip them, or do you want to overwrite them? So maybe if there's new data for your customer, or maybe you want to go ahead and duplicate them. So then you're going to have two different customers in your Zoho Books with the same name. For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at skip, and then you're going to click on next. Okay, next what you want to do is go ahead and map out your spreadsheet. So this is the column title on your spreadsheet, and then here it is in Zoho Books. So you just want to make sure that it matches the same. So for example, first name right here, and make sure that you're choosing the first name in your spreadsheet. And once you've lined everything up, you want to go ahead and click on next. Okay, once you do that, it lets you know that you're going to be importing this amount of contacts into your Zoho Books. And then here are the fields that they couldn't match up. And next you want to go ahead and click on import down here at the bottom. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see all of your customer list here imported into your Zoho Books. So now we can easily go ahead and invoice them or use them for bookkeeping. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your customer list into your Zoho Books, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.